Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from TaskRabbit settlements to your bank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the TaskRabbit app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account tab. From the Account tab, locate and select the Payments option. In the Payments section, find the Withdraw Funds button. Tap on Withdraw Funds to proceed. You will see the balance available for withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Select your bank account as the destination for the transfer. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, follow the prompts to add your bank details. Confirm all the information you entered is correct. Review any fees or processing times associated with the withdrawal. Once everything looks good, tap on the Confirm button. Your withdrawal request will now be submitted. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your request is in progress. Monitor your bank account for the transferred funds. Keep in mind that transfers may take a few business days to process. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help section in the app for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.